Guys, here I am with the Maker World icon right up here where you can download models, my models, or anybody else's models. So we're going to double click on that and we have to log in, but we have to accept here. That's what I have to do. I don't know if you have to do that on Windows. And we log in here and we got to do accept here. And then I've got a pre log in here and you got to hit agree, log in, and it'll send you a code, okay? So that's going to send a code to my phone, and I got to get that code. So here we go. I got the code already, and put that in and hit confirm. You can log in with Google if you want or Facebook, but I like to log in myself. I go up to here and I go to. I want to go to my models. Here they are, my models right here. You go here, my models, and I'll close that out. And here are the models I've made so far, but I want to see my models. And here are some of my models right here. Okay, this one right here. Um, Bride of Frankenstein, Invisible Man, and Twin Monster Mountain. King Kong, you can make this any size you want. The King Kong, it's a really cool model. You can paint it in studio, or you can paint it yourself. I prefer painting my models myself by hand, airbrush, or with a brush. And we got other people in here, and we made Garfield right here. We made the duck. Trying to get to my main page. Let's see. All models, Maker Lab, contest, history. Um, let's see now. Let's see. Co-funding, private. That's how much I made so far. You get points when you make stuff and when you make your own stuff. Okay, all models. This is the main page of the models. Let's pick up on. Let's pick up on. Oh, I lost it there. Damn it! Darn it! Sorry, guys. Hang on. We got to go back to it. Let's see. Let's look Pete's models. I did put the link in another area. I can't find it by that. I can find it by the link. Um, Hang on. There's a link here. It's in this right here. And here it is right here. Open. Yeah, welcome to Pete's Maker World page. Here are my models, okay? So it's you gotta search for uh, Pete's Maker World page. Okay, and the link, I have the link in one of my other videos, in the last video I did. So here are I want to show some of the models here, and I don't know why it's not showing. Here's the three, go under here. 116 models I've made so far and created. Okay, so right here is where you download it with the arrow. Okay, that's how you download a model. And usually it downloads to your download folder. Okay, Mr. Carrot again, Carrot Monster, Happy Carrot, Monster Troll. This is Elizabeth Montgomery in a striking pose, and here she is. I painted her with airbrush. I airbrushed it after I made the model. Like I said, you download it here, you download it here. It goes to the download folder. We got all kinds of models in here. Tour walks. We got We've got It's Alive, you know, Monster Rage, Alien Beings, It. This is Cousin It. Okay. We got Iguana, Leprechaun Iguana, Leprechaun Monster, all kinds of stuff. Mummy Bust, Frankenstein. This is the Boris Karloff version. We've got King Mummy Bust right here. Anything. This is Ziggy Stardust. This is David Bowie right here, singing. Okay, and you got Halloween here. Lucille Ball. 7 people downloaded it already. Nice guys who downloaded Lucille Ball. This is Sheldon. Sheldon freaks out playing a video game. He came out really well. This is Charlie Bronson. Charlie's Wish. Okay, Death Wish. This is what's it? Charlie Sheen right here with a baseball mitt. You know, some people don't know. Charlie, let's play ball. That's Charlie Sheen. Okay. Adam Sandler right here. This is Megan Fox right here. This is Will Smith. You know, Will on Duty. This is in that Alien movie, Men in Black. All different versions of stuff. A sleigh you can make. You can make a candy sleigh as big as you want, depending how big your printer is. This is Captain America, a scripto marker holder for Captain America. You make it the right size. You could put a scripto marker in there. This is a ship I developed. You could put a light inside this bat, and this side, and bat, and here. All kinds of stuff. The Angel. People really like the Angel. The Angel was modeled after my wife, and people like that. Download it right there and give it a thumbs up. This is this Karate Elf is actually what's his name? Jackie Chan. Okay, so it kind of looks like Jackie Chan when you print it out. If you do it in studio, you can do all the colors you want. Green, the face, color of the face, color of the hat, the studio, or you could just hand paint it. This is a tough one. This cookie tray, very tough to do. You have to be very careful removing the supports in here. But I decided to do it. This is Stan Lee right here with a little boy, Uncle Stan, at Christmas time. And this one you can make in studio, put all different colors, and make Christmas seahorses for ornaments for your tree. I hope you can hear me. I'm trying my best here to do this video. This is Stan Lee with a little boy again. This is a cookie tray, a cookie jar, Santa's cookie jar. 8 people downloaded. That comes out really nice. It takes a little bit long to do it. You can make it any size you want. You can put candy in it, cookies, whatever, and you can hand paint it afterwards. It's not hard to paint, really. Painting is not hard, guys. You get some acrylic paints and you just go to town and have fun. Have a lot of fun. This is a cow dust pan for crumbs for the table, or you can make it full size if you want to, for picking up dirt. It's another cookie jar. This is a frog. The picture didn't come out right, but it's a frog. It's very delicate to take supports off of this, but if you take your time, you can do it. This is a seal with a king. Gets a King Ocean with his seal. This is Frankenstein as a hippie. This is, what's his name? Michael Jackson on a Benchy. Okay. Frankenstein on a motorcycle. This is the groom. If you need a groom for your cake, you can print it out here and do it in studio to match the colors if you want. This is the bridesmaid. I modeled that after what's her name? Jodie Foster. I modeled that after Jodie Foster. These are cat spoon, fork and spoon. I I spelled it wrong here. I'm sorry, guys. This is a turkey. I ran out of filaments here, so I just didn't want to waste filaments, so I use that. But that's a turkey. It says Happy Thanksgiving. This is a Mr. Raccoon with a hat on his head. Cat tongs right here. Um, Shy Frankenstein. People downloaded 3. This came out good. I hand painted that. That's a hula snake. Um, the monster. He's the monster. He came out really good too. Rabbit lost his violin bow. That came out good. That's a fun thing to do. And just a whole different this types of models. This is a witch with a cauldron and very detailed. And you have to be very careful taking the supports off and maybe placing supports where you want them and removing them where you don't want them. Okay. Embarrassed Frank, his pants fell down. This is Gangster Mouse. He's cool. He's a little cool little mouse. Esmeralda from Hunchback for Notre Dame. If you need an Esmeralda bust. This is another Frank the hippie, another hippie Frankenstein. This is Frog calling a play. That's a frog with calling a play like he's out, and he's got a baseball cap on. This is the pencil holder right here. This is a pencil and pen or pencil or paintbrush holder. You could put water in here for your brushes, and you can put your paints in here. This is a mummy on a jet ski. This comes out really good, the vampire bat. And again, you have to be careful taking supports off. Okay. Here's a base. If you need a base for any models on my page, here's a base. You can make any size you want. Okay. This one is a bust. This one came out very detailed. You may be able to do this in studio and put the colors in, or you can hand paint it yourself. I hand painted it, make it easier. I don't have 2 AMSs to do all the colors. This little iPhone pocket cord holder that actually works. It holds the iPhone and a cord. This is the wedding. 13 people downloaded this right here. And you have to be logged in to do this now, don't forget. The princess is an adult version of a bride. She's the princess. She's only in like negligee or something like that. You know, people downloaded it too, and you can hand paint that. The bride people like for the wedding cake. You know, I've got the groom, I've got the bride also, and this flower comes out nice. I made it. I made this flower actually 2 inches tall, and it came out so nice. My wife loved it. This is Doctor Strange, and he came out good. You can hand paint him. Little Godzilla. This is China Turtle. He's just something fun to play around with. You know, if you want to practice, do China Turtle. You know, and 3D modeling. And another practice one is Johnny the Robot. I have him in a series of animations on my channel on 3D JD Cap 26, just tips, affairs, hobbies. I have him as doing little cartoons, but he's easy. He's a good print to practice on. This is a corner monkey I developed years ago when I was doing woodworking, and it's a monkey reading a book. If you want to know what that is, 3 people downloaded it, and you put that up on the top of the door, the corner of the door, a frame, and it sits on there, and you paint in the words like that. You paint the monkey's face, or you could do it in studio, you know, if you want. You chose. This is all black, and the face is right here, you know, like a flesh color monkey, and the eyes, and really nice. So that's my Maker World page. I hope you check it out and enjoy it. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. God bless you. Please rate, subscribe, and give the thumbs up. and see you next time. Bye for now.